welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the car world. Today we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Ford Mustang Darkhorse. This isn't just any Mustang. Ford has pushed the boundaries of power, design, and performance with this one, making it a car that both Mustang fans and sports car enthusiasts need to pay attention to. Let's talk design. Ford has made sure the Darkhorse isn't just another pretty face. Its aggressive, sharp lines and unique body styling make it stand out. The front fascia is more menacing, with sleek LED headlights that seem to pierce through the darkness, living up to the Darkhorse name. The large, blacked-out grille and hood vents give it a look that's bold and modern yet still unmistakably Mustang. At the rear, a revised spoiler and diffuser complete the design, ensuring this Mustang has both the aesthetic appeal and aerodynamic functionality to match its name. Now, let's get into what really matters: performance. Under the hood, Ford has equipped the Darkhorse with a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V engine that churns out a thrilling 500 horsepower. This isn't just any Coyote engine, it's been optimized for track-ready performance, giving drivers the ability to push it to the limits without sacrificing durability. You'll find enhanced cooling systems to keep things in check, even under the most intense driving conditions. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer seamless shifts, giving you flexibility depending on your driving style. Ford also paid extra attention to handling and stability. The Darkhorse features an upgraded suspension system that includes Magnaride damping technology. This allows for real-time adjustments to the shocks, ensuring the car stays planted through tight corners or high-speed runs. Plus, the unique chassis tuning and advanced aerodynamics mean this car is more than capable on the track, offering a level of control and precision that's both engaging and confidence-inspiring. And of course, there's a limited slip differential to keep that rear-wheel drive in check, making sure all that power is put to good use without losing control. Inside the cabin, Ford brings a mix of high-tech features and classic Mustang charm. The Darkhorse is equipped with a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster alongside a 13.2-inch center touchscreen, all powered by Ford's Sync 4 system. This setup provides a driver-focused experience that keeps everything you need right at your fingertips, from navigation to performance metrics. The materials feel premium, with options like suede and leather that add a touch of luxury to the otherwise race-ready interior. And for those long drives or late-night cruises, Ford has included a Bang & Olufsen sound system that provides crisp, immersive audio. Safety and technology features are also well represented. With driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, Ford has ensured that while the Darkhorse may be a beast on the track, it's also comfortable and safe on the street. This makes it not only a thrill machine, but also a reliable daily driver if you so choose. In short, the 2025 Ford Mustang Darkhorse is everything we love about the Mustang lineage, taken to a whole new level. It's powerful, aggressive, and filled with modern tech without losing that classic muscle car soul. Whether you're a Mustang enthusiast or just love high-performance cars, the Darkhorse deserves a place on your radar. Stay tuned, because we'll be bringing you even more exciting insights into the hottest cars on the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all our latest videos.